let me update your status.
Cause it's you I would change for, you always make sure.
I just wanna be your favorite. I just wanna be your favorite. I just wanna be your favorite.
Hello, I am back with another video. So I'm just gonna be doing my brows. So I always use the Urban Decay Original eyeshadow primer on my brows. They just last longer. This pencil was giving me the flux, okay? Like, I know it's $2 at the beauty supply store. It's really nice. I like it, but it legit broke on me like 6 times during this video. But like I said, look, there it goes again. But like I said, it's from the beauty supply store. It's Ruby Kisses. It's their dark brown eyeshadow, eyebrow pencil. Sorry guys, I'm super drained, but I gotta get this video out. Gotta be consistent. So yeah, so I'm just gonna basically let you watch me do my brows. Yes, I like thick brows. That's just what I do. That's what I do. I used to do them super thin, and every time I try to get them thin, it just doesn't work out that way. So I'm a thick girl kind of girl. So yeah, that's how I do my brows. But normally it's I wouldn't even say normally. I normally just try to do something like super simple, because I hate doing my brows because it takes so long. But yeah, I would use like spiked or dip down fluid liner from MAC, or I use my brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color dark brown to do my brows. It really depends on my mood, whatever I see first, whatever my hand touches first. And this pencil is really good because it's a stiff wax. It's not too greasy, so like I said, it breaks, but I just keep on sharpening it with the MAC sharpener, because you know the MAC sharpener does not waste product, and I fill it in. Like, I love this pencil. I just wish it wouldn't break on me as often. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like it's tugging at my skin, which I like. I like that, you know, it has like hold to it, that it's not gonna go anywhere like in heat or sweating or you're hot. Like, I love that. So I'm just gonna go in, fill the brow, and use the spoolie on the end. And it has a spoolie, $2, you can't beat it. And it has a spoolie. And now I'm gonna be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealers. The first one is in Toffee. I think this was Toffee. I normally go between Toffee and Warm Honey. This was rather light, so I believe this was Warm Honey, but I'll do Toffee or Fawn or Warm Honey. Literally whatever I see first, that's what I'm using. That's it. I'm not planning out like eyeshadow looks, and no, we're not doing that over here. Normally when I wing it, that's when I have the best eyeshadow looks ever. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but yeah, like whenever I'm just winging it, I come up with the best looks. But if I have to go to work or something, I have no eyeshadow on. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. I don't know, I'm super weird, but it's okay. But yeah, I normally just carve out my brows. Like I said, I like them thick and they work for me, and you know, to each his own. Maybe one day I'll have thin brows. I doubt it, but you never know. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using the concealer just to literally like map out. I'm using the MAC 212 brush. I don't think I even mentioned that, but yeah, that's the MAC 212 brush. Just to I love this brush. Like, I don't know what I was doing before this brush. I don't even know who put me onto this brush. I think it was one of my one of the people I know that does makeup. We follow each other on Instagram. She lives here in the Bronx as well. I believe she put me onto it. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure, but any flat definer brush is bomb. But like I said, this is the MAC 212, and you're just gonna see me going back, looking, trying to perfect it. And yeah, So this is the brow tutorial from my Get Ready With Me. I just decided to not have the video be that long. So yeah, I just want you to enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one. Brows all day, gang, gang, gang. Okay, now before I leave, sorry, this is Espresso from LA Pro Girl. Listen, from LA Girl concealer. I don't know if it's, listen, that's where it's from. It's Espresso from LA Girl. I'm so sleepy, sorry guys, but yeah, this is a good concealer. Watching back, I see that it's a tad bit orange, but it's okay because it just blends out. Normally I don't do this step, and I find that I have to go really close with the foundation to cover up like any spaces that's above my brow. So I'm just like, you know what, I'll just put concealer here, and then I'll just do foundation so that I don't have to risk messing up my brows with foundation. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking my time. I didn't want to speed up this video at all. I'm getting hungry. I didn't want to speed up this video at all because I wanted you to see it in real time. This is literally the longest I take to do my brows, is because I'm doing it on camera. But to do my brows, I would say it's about 15 minutes. But yeah, it took me about a half an hour to get this done and make sure that, you know, the video's in focus and all that good stuff. But enough of me rambling. Just let me know down below what you want to see. Short hair videos are coming. I keep saying it because it's super cold. It's like 39 degrees in New York right now. It's freezing. I can't wait till I cut my hair, and I've been loving my frontals and my units. Gang. But yeah. Short hair is coming back. I can't wait to cut my hair and get my undercuts and bring you along with me to the barber shop if I have somebody to film. But yeah, but until my next video, I will see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.